online from simply touching my phone screen like this. And in this video, I am going to show you how you can do this even with a brand new account using your laptop or your smartphone. The first thing you have to do is to go to this website called enrollapp.com. Once again, it's called enrollapp.com. As you can tell by reading here, enrollapp.com is a website that is dedicated to making the web a better place for everyone. Enrollapp.com is a legit website which will allow you to join free of charge so that you can earn money by simply answering very simple poll questions about any products that big companies would want to bring to the people on the internet. With enrollapp.com website, you will be able to take a sneak peek into what these multi-billion-dollar companies are currently working on, and you can let them know what you think about their upcoming products before they hit the market. The most amazing thing about this website is that you will be allowed to take these tests anywhere. So, even when you are on a bus or you are seated in a park just simply enjoying your day, or you can be at home just before you sleep, you will be able to take these tests and submit your answers for some simple earnings. As of recently, a total of over 651,000 tests have been completed on this website, and thousands of people are earning daily on this website. It does not matter from where you are from, they are accepting people from anywhere in the world. In a moment, I will show you how you can get paid for just browsing a website like this one here, or clicking a button like this one and get paid for doing so. You will be able to take as many polls as you can on any device, and you will be earning cash rewards deposited straight into your PayPal account.
But share with you the latest making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. So, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now first, before enrolling on this website, you have to take this sample test by clicking this button. This is a very short test, and it will help you to get to know what you will be expected to do on the website. In the next couple of screens, you will be asked to complete a few simple tasks. You have to complete these to the best of your ability. Click on Begin the test to get started, and on this page you have to select areas on this test website that give you some inspiration for your upcoming travel trip. As an example, you might select London. Scroll down and click on Continue. Now on this page you will be asked to select at least 3 answers that best describe how you feel when you see such a web page. Pretty easy, right? Just select your 3 answers, and then click Continue. Lastly, you can choose to tell them what made you feel that way on that website. If you prefer, you can skip ahead by clicking on Continue here. Next, they will ask you to tell them a little about yourself, so go ahead and specify your gender here. Select your age and your level of education, and finally select your income level. As soon as you are done, click on Complete Test, and that's it. You are totally done. That is basically all you will be doing on this website. You do not even need to have any expertise on this site. They are just looking for consumer survey answers to find out the demographics and consumer behaviors so that they can use these to design websites and products that will be useful to the users. Okay, so now in order for you to start earning money doing this, you have to sign up and enter your details. The process is very simple and will take you less than 5 minutes to complete. Simply enter your email address here and then enter your password. Complete the CAPTCHA here and boom, you are now on your way to making your first $5. Now, this is what your dashboard will look like. On the top left corner here is your Achievements tab. On this tab, you will see your financials. On the left side here, you will see your missions, then your badges will be indicated here, and then finally you will see your points here. Okay, so how are we going to be making money with this website? Well, it's pretty straightforward really. You see this cow here? The more polls that you complete every single day, the more it will move towards this moon. So for example, here is a poll question that I can take right now. All I have to do is to read it, and then make a choice like this, and then submit my answer. You will see the immediate poll results based on the answers that every user on the platform gave. Next, click on Continue, and then answer this next question, just like the previous one. By the way, there is an option up here for you to skip the question if you do not feel like answering it at the moment. I recommend that you answer every single poll question in order to increase your total earnings. You will be able to move from here to here and earn yourself some bonus money. By the way, the more poll questions that you answer, the easier it will be for the website to be able to match you with the most appropriate projects based on your demographics, your interests, and your hobbies, which means that you will get more missions and earn more money also. So, continue clicking these buttons and keep on answering these simple poll questions as many times as you can. There is no limit really, so take as many polls as you can. Now, let us go through all the poll questions that we have answered and see if we have made some money. But before we proceed here, remember to smash the like button and to subscribe to our channel. In the comments section below, I need you to type yes or no if you agree to the following positive statement. Type yes or no if you agree to the following positive statement. Also remember to comment your country name below so that I can keep making more videos that work in your area. Now, let us get back to making money. Okay, so on this page, will be displayed your test history. Once you have completed a test, it will appear here, including the date that you took it, the amount of money that you earned, and the payment status, which will indicate whether you can now withdraw your earnings, or your earnings have already been sent to your PayPal account. Let me now show you something that is even way cooler on this website. When you click on the Achievements tab here, you can see your progress here. The number of total badges that you have been awarded will be indicated here, and the total points that you have earned. Now, since this is my first mission with this brand brand new account, all that is required for you to do is to continue taking as many tests and answer the poll questions, and continue to be active on this website every single day. If you are just beginning, you have to do this for at least 30 days in a row, spending at least about 5 minutes of your day, or even more answering these poll questions. Here are the badges you may gain doing this every day. The more badges you earn, the more points and bonus money you will be earning on this website. Now, let me share with you the third and final bonus tip that will help you increase your earnings on this website. Go to the top left side here, and click the profile settings at the top right corner here, and then select here where it says test preferences. You need to make sure that all your profile settings are up to date. Also remember that all the responses that you will give to these questions will be kept private. Scroll down a bit, and you will need to specify the device you are using to complete the tests. Another bonus tip here is to choose all these options, because the more devices you indicate, the more polls you will be awarded. For testing availability, select this option in order to receive tests as soon as they are available. That way you can be sure that you are always the first to be notified if there are any tests that are available. This will increase your chances of making even more money. Also below that, be sure to tick this box here to enable email notifications if there are tests that you need to take. Finally, you can choose to validate your phone number by clicking here. This will activate the SMS notification. Once you are done on this page, click on save, and you can now continue taking more poll questions as many times as you like, earning more points and badges. If you think you missed something, go ahead and watch this video again until you can do this in a breeze. And that is all you have to do. Now, if you want to learn even more ways to make